Hey guys, my name is Rylan and this is me and my family's channel, and on this channel we'll be testing stuff out and doing a bunch of randomness. Here we have a early 90s sprint boat. It is ski and fishing boat that we'll be renovating and starting a new series on. This is a early 90s 275 FS. FS is fishing and skiing, meaning like you can go fishing and tubing as it. You wouldn't do it at the same time, but still could. And then it is also powered by a Suzuki 150. And we're gonna be trying to get the gel coating out, like trying to buff it out, so we can restore that blue that it had back in it. Which, as you can see, either up front or right here, where the 275 FS used to be. And then the seats we're gonna have to redo, is they're just junky right now. We're gonna have to put some new runners and rollers and lights on the trailer, and make new seats for the front, and redo the wiring, get a new battery, I think, and try to restore this thing as best as we can. For future videos about this, and God bless and stay free.